Want to switch your TikTok account from personal to business on your iPhone? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to switch your TikTok account to a creator or business account and back if needed. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. Switching to a business account, open the TikTok app on your iPhone. After that, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Account. Here, you'll see the option to switch to business account. Tap on it. Next, tap Next a couple of times to proceed. After that, choose a category that best fits your business. Then you can either edit your profile right away or skip this tab. Now, tap Visit Business Suite to explore all the features available with your business account. Switching back to a personal account. If you want to switch back to a personal account, go back to your profile. Then tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner again. After that, select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Account. Now tap on Switch to Personal Account. Finally, tap Switch Anyway to confirm and your account will be back to personal. And that's it. Now you know how to switch between personal and business accounts on TikTok using your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'd love to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.